Oh, hi. Do you find it hard to understand the values of notes and rests? Worry no more, because we are here to help you. Values of notes and rests. Let's begin. Look at the chart. Here we have the notes, rests, names, and beats. On the first column we have the notes. Let's have the circle first, which is the whole note. It has 4 beats. Now let's think of it as a pizza. This pizza is like the whole note, which has 4 beats. So how do we sing it? It's like pie. On the other hand, the whole rest means 4 beats of complete silence. Let's skip the second row for now, and let's have the third row. We have the half note, and it has 2 beats. Now if you slice that pizza into 2 equal parts, it's gonna leave us with this half pizza, and it's equivalent to the half note. 4 beats divided by 2 equals 2. Meaning to say, this half note receives 2 beats. And how do we sing it? It's like pie, and then you stop right there. However, for the half rest, it's the opposite. It means 2 beats of complete silence. Now, let's go back to the second row. We have this circle with a stem and a dot beside it. What do you think this dot signifies? Well, it only means plus half of the beat of the note that precedes it. So if half note has 2 beats, then half of 2 beats is 1 beat. Therefore, 2 beats plus 1 beat is equal to 3 beats. Correct? Perfect. So, how do we sing this? Listen to me. It's pie, and then you stop right there. Again, let's skip the 4th row for now, and let's proceed to the 5th row. We have that shaded circle with a stem. It's what we call the quarter note. It has 1 beat. Remember that pizza representing the whole note, which has 4 beats? If you cut that pizza into 4 equal parts, it's gonna look like this. Each slice receives 1 beat. Just to check, 1 beat multiplied by 4 slices equals 4 beats. Now let's take one of the 4 slices, which is 1/4, which we can also call a quarter. A quarter slice of pizza is equivalent to a quarter note. Now, let's sing it. It goes like this. Pie. Now this lightning-like mark is what we call the quarter rest, and it means 1 beat of complete silence. Let's go back to the 4th row. This is what we call the dotted quarter note. The dot means plus half of the beat that a quarter note receives. So 1 beat divided by 2 equals half beat. Then we add that half beat to the 1 beat that a quarter note receives. And that's 1 plus half equals 1.5. Let's sing it. Bye. Now for our next one, we have this quarter note with a tail attached to it. It's what we call the 8th note, and it receives half beat. So if the quarter slice of pizza, which is equivalent to 1/4 of the whole, if you cut it into 2 equal parts, it will give you 1/8 of the whole, just like the 8th note. Hence, 1 beat divided by 2 equals half. And how do we sing that? It's like this. Pie. Meanwhile, the 8th rest means half beat. of complete silence. And we are down to our last, which is this quarter note, which has two tails attached to it. This is the 16th note, and it receives 1/4 beat. That's half of a half beat. Half divided by 2 equals 1/4, as in pi. Lastly, we have the 16th rest, which only means 1/4 beat of complete silence. I hope you have learned a lot from our lesson for today. Till next time, bye!